A top prosecutor is due to appear in the Mmabatho District Court this morning, facing charges of shoplifting. Jeanette Nevelling is accused of stealing food and clothing items at a retail shop in Mahikeng in the northwest. Our reporter Bafedile Moerane joins us now live from outside court. Bafedile, in the various court appearances that you've followed in connection with this story, has it become clear from the side of Jeanette Nevelling herself, who was once a head honcho, so to speak, in the Northwest NPA department, what led her to do this?
Well, of course, Michelle, the court has not yet got into the gist of the case. The last time when we were here, her lawyer recused herself from the case, and we're expecting them to come here today to recuse herself officially under oath before the court of law. Then they will introduce the new representative today. So those are some of the things that are still delaying the court to continue. So it is still not clear at this stage as to what exactly transpired. So we are expecting to hear all the details before the court when the trial resumes, as we're expecting to hear the trial date this morning. We saw her arriving here. She was alone. She's already inside the court. Now we know that she has also been suspended from her position as the head of the Special Commercial Crime Unit here in the province. But however, Michelle, to get more clarity and more information as to where exactly the court is today and how far are the processes, I have requested the NPA regional spokesperson Henry Mamutame to speak to us about this case. Thank you so much to join us, Henry Mamutame. Let's talk about this case. How far are we today? Because the last time when we were here, we understand that the NPA had to bring another prosecutor from Limpopo region. What's going to happen going forward, including the issue of the magistrate in this matter?
Well, you'd remember that the last time we were here, Advocate Nevelling had to indicate that her legal representative had recused herself from this matter. So there was a postponement effected for this, for her to get herself legal representation, but also to afford our prosecutor from an outside division to familiarize himself with the case and the merits of this case. So it was a win-win situation for both. So what is expected today, we expected, like you earlier indicated, that the previous representative for Advocate Nevelling needs to come and recuse herself in court officially, and to also further establish how far our prosecutor his readiness in terms of familiarizing himself with this case and the merits of this case as it stands.
Now, are we expecting the magistrate also to recuse herself for fair and trial? Because we understand Ms. Nevelling, she has power. She has been the head of NPA in the province.
Well, we can't preempt what's going to happen, but I suppose we'll have to wait and see what the outcome of that may be.
The last question, sir, how far is the internal processes with regard to disciplinary action?
There was disciplinary proceedings, and we shouldn't divulge that. That's between her and her employer. But yes, she remains suspended from discharging her duties as the head of the Special Commercial Crimes Unit.
Well, thank you so much, Rema Mutame. He is the regional NPA spokesperson, Michelle. As you had him indicating that there is an internal processes that are taking place behind, and the accused in this case, she has recused herself because she is the head of the National Prosecuting Authority for Special Commercial Crime Unit in the province. At the time of her arrest, she was dealing with the case of the former Northwest Finance MEC Wendy Nelson. So I'm indicating that to show you that she has been dealing with bigger cases, bigger profile cases here in the Northwest province.
Yeah, absolutely. You'll keep us up to speed on that case as it unfolds today in the Mmabatho District Court from this morning. Our reporter Bafedile Moerane is live to us there. She's tracking that story.